Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video from Logan the Tech Guy, and this is a tech comparison video between the Huawei MateBook D14 and the Huawei MateBook D15 2021 version. I have made a comparison videos about the 2020 version of the MateBook D14 and the D15 last year. You can find that videos at the description below. Before we get started, if you guys are new to this channel, then make sure to be subscribed to Logan the Tech Guy YouTube channel. My videos consist of infographic tech comparison laptop videos and also voiceover laptop comparison videos. I have done the full review video of the Huawei MateBook D14, Huawei MateBook D15 and also the Huawei MateBook X Pro 2021 versions. Do check it out. I had my hands on all of these latest arrivals from Huawei. My video also consists of science and engineering topics too, only if I have some spare time. So yeah, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to cover the laptop which comes with the i5 models of the Huawei MateBook D15 with the Huawei MateBook D14, and there are also some i7 models too. You can configure these laptops from 10th gen Intel i5 chips up to 11th gen i7 chips, but do keep in mind that Huawei didn't release the 11th gen i7 models in certain countries. Don't worry about that. Even last year, Huawei released the Ryzen 5 model first before in the end of the year they released the Ryzen 7, so I think they will follow the same trend this year. As consumers, we have the choice of choosing the best laptop with the best price. The interesting thing in this both of the laptops are the price are below 1000 USD. So with the same hardware, your purchase really comes just down to choosing the size that you want. Speaking of size, the Huawei MateBook D15 comes with 15.6 inches full view display, while the Huawei MateBook D14 comes with 14 inches full view display. There's no a huge difference when it comes to display size, so that's not a big deal. Users can enjoy every look of Huawei MateBook D14 and Huawei MateBook D15 thanks to the IPS anti-glare display, which comes with 16:9 aspect ratio with full HD 1920x1080 resolution. Every image bursts with a detailed clarity for better viewing experience every time you view it. With that screen, the Huawei MateBook D15 comes with 87% screen to body ratio, while the Huawei MateBook D14 comes with 83% of screen to body ratio. I'm pretty sure that all of you agree that both of these laptops are beautifully designed laptops, and the Huawei MateBook D14 is just weighing at 1.38 kg. With the streamlined build, it doesn't just look great, it means that you can push the hinge to nearly 118 degrees. Meanwhile, the Huawei MateBook D15 is slightly heavier with 1.56 kg. Moving on to the processors, both of these laptops can be configured from low end to high end. The Huawei MateBook D15 and the Huawei MateBook D14 2021 version comes with a low end 10th gen Intel Core i5 processors with Intel UHD graphics 620, while the highest end comes with 11th gen Core i5 processors with Intel IrisXe graphics. Both laptops come with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD storage, where you can get both of the HDD and SSD combo at different rates for both. The only drawback for both these laptops are in the RAM section, where getting inside the MateBook D14 and D15 is extremely easy. Simply undo the screws on the base and pop the panel off. However, when you are inside, you can't upgrade the RAM. I repeat, you can't upgrade the RAM because it's soldered in. The 16GB of dual channel is what you're going to live on lifelong. This year models, Huawei has built an effective thermal dual fan system on this device, where it is dubbed as shark fin that keeps the machine cool, and I can vouch for its performance. Even if you keep on into those quiet night time, don't be bothered by annoying fan noises. The ultra thin 0.2mm Huawei shark fin fan improves heat dissipation by 24% to keep things cooler all the time while remaining quiet as a mouse. When it comes to battery capacity, the rating capacity of the Huawei MateBook D14 is 56 Wh, while the Huawei MateBook D15 is 42 Wh. Huawei MateBook D14 comes with a 65 watt USB-C charger that fits right in your pocket, so you can charge on the go. It can charge your laptop battery to 46% in just 30 minutes. Also, it supports fast charging and data transfer for your phone. While the Huawei MateBook D15 comes with a 65 watt USB-C charger that fits right in your pocket, so you can charge on the go. For the battery life, which isn't anything to write home about, with a 42 Wh rated battery capacity, the YouTube battery drain on the laptop test recorded a time of 3 hours and 45 minutes with the better battery preset turned on. This included with a 65 Wh charging grid also tops up the machine from 0 to 100 in just under 2 hours. Both the laptops has a power button with a built-in fingerprint reader, so you can power on and log in securely with just one press. The webcam with 1 megapixel 720p HD cam is hidden underneath an extra key between the F6 and F7 keys, and it offers a frog eye view on the users in the front of the laptop. Oh, this Huawei laptop comes with Huawei Share, but with just a simple tap, your smartphone and Huawei MateBook will transform into one super device even without internet connection. Your phone screen appears on your laptop, which allows you to drag and drop files between them and also edit the files on your laptop while messaging colleagues on your phone using the same keyboard and mouse. This cross-device collaboration makes life and work easier. With multi-screen display, it can use up to 3 different phone apps on the MateBook screen simultaneously. Multitasking just got even more real. The ports in the Huawei MateBook D14, it comes with a single USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, it comes with single USB-A 2.0, a single USB-C, it comes with 3.5mm stereo headset jack and a HDMI port. For the Huawei MateBook D15, it comes with a single USB-A 3.0, a dual USB-A 2.0, a single USB-C, a single HDMI, and also a 3.5mm headphone jack. The left side holds a single USB Type-C port that doubles as a laptop charging port. It also supports reverse charging in a powered off state. The only thing that I don't like with the port layout is that you lose a Type-C port when the laptop is plugged in and taking power. Though the upside here is that you can use a power bank if it's powerful enough to charge the laptop. Well, if you can't find a wall socket to plug in. The cable provided is a USB-C compatible on both ends, allowing convenient fast data transfers on the fly and supporting fast charging for Huawei smartphone as well. Both the laptops comes with chiclet full-size keyboard with a touchpad support. It doesn't sound while typing, so yeah, the keyboard is good. Both the MateBook uses island-style keyboard that span the width to the laptop's chassis. The MateBook D14 and the D15 has an excellent key travel and is very tactile while making typing on them a breeze. Both the laptops come with dual speakers and dual microphones, which makes online class experience good. Huawei MateBook D14 and D15 rewrites the rulebook when it comes to sound. Its custom audio algorithm provides truly pristine surround sound that washes over you like a cool, breathtaking wave. The high-end model of the Huawei MateBook D14 and 15 comes with Wi-Fi 6, which is a revolution to enjoy network speed up to 2.7 times faster than the previous generation. That means you can get to upload and download files up to an incredible 2.4 gigabits per second. Some model comes with Wi-Fi 5 though. Move into a faster internet with Wi-Fi 6, and it also comes with Bluetooth 5.1 for the higher version and Bluetooth 5.0 for the lower version. Now, if your question is, Logan, is this laptop good for video editing? Well, if you get the i5 11th gen Intel Core processors, then it's good to edit on these laptops up to 4K 60, but it takes time to render. While for gaming, it does support Valorant and Far Cry 5 in low-end settings. Don't expect ultra level of gaming in these laptops. For office users, you will love this laptop, and for students and teachers, if you can get your hand out of the way while typing from the webcam, then you can buy this laptop too. Before I jump to the pros and the cons of the Huawei MateBook D14 and the Huawei MateBook D15, if you like what you're watching, a sub to this channel will be massively appreciated. Both the pros and the cons of both of these Huawei MateBook D14 and D15 comes exactly the same. It has a sleek design with integrated fingerprint scanner. It comes updated with 11th gen GPU and CPU. It comes with i5 10th generation also available. It has a decent battery life with fast SSD. It comes with backlit keyboard with 180 degrees of opening, and both of this laptop is light. For the extra pros for the Huawei MateBook D15 is it comes with slightly larger screen size compared to the D14. On the cons, the awkward webcam placement is not good for everyone. Huawei Share requires mobile of Huawei for fully functionality, and these models are more expensive than the previous model, well, if you get the i7 model. So, which one of this laptop will you go for? The Huawei MateBook D15 or the Huawei MateBook D14? Well, both boast the upper hand, and it comes to the user's preference to use which one they want. The selection is yours. Before I end this video is made based on my hands-on usage on the 2021 version of the Huawei MateBook D15 and the Huawei MateBook D14. The views, pros and the cons were made based on my usage on this laptop. There's no compensation and there's no copy approval provided by the manufacturers to me, and there's certainly no any early previews of this video were given to Huawei. Logan the Tech Guy works for the viewers, for you, not for the brand manufacturers. So that's it between the Huawei MateBook D15 versus the Huawei MateBook D14. Both is versatile and both boast an upper hand on its own. Which one of these laptops are you impressed with and which one will you buy? Do let me know in the comments below. If you have any thoughts or constructive criticism, do let me know in the comments below. And if you want to suggest any tech comparisons to be made in this channel, then let me know in the comments as well. Like this video if you find this video helpful, and if you want to see more from Logan the Tech Guy, hit on the subscribe button below and tap on the bell icon. It is always really appreciated. Check out my other videos and I will catch you next time right here. All love and peace out.